Also new tonight, imagine the feeling of someone stealing your beloved pet while your kids are playing in the backyard.
This was his present, his gift for Christmas, and for someone to take that, it's just heartbreaking.
That's what happened on Mother's Day to a mom and her 4-year-old son in Buffalo. As News 4's Lou Raguse shows us, the dog had a very special meaning to this family. Lou?
That's right, Diana. We first introduced you to the Rodriguez family last summer. Little Eric had to spend his 4th birthday in the hospital after suffering severe burns. The pet Yorkie was his Christmas present to help him feel better during his recovery. A fully fenced backyard should be a safe place for any family. Playing outside his Massachusetts Avenue home brings a smile to the face of little Eric Rodriguez. It's been a real tough year for him.
Eric was in an accident involving a fire.
Eric had to spend his 4th birthday last summer in a Cincinnati burn hospital. He's had 6 surgeries and still has a long recovery ahead.
Gets very itchy.
And the recovery was supposed to be helped by the joy of a new pet. These are photos of his Christmas present, Princess the Yorkshire Terrier. That came to an end on Mother's Day when that joy was taken away from him.
Breaks my heart.
The adults had gone inside to finish making lunch when a man with 3 kids and 2 dogs walked right up to this fence and snatched Princess. Then several neighbors told Jamie Lee they saw the man, the 3 kids, and now 3 dogs heading down Massachusetts toward Niagara.
This guy did it in front of his own kids.
Yeah.
What kind of example is that?
It's not a very good example for your children. Absolutely not.
Imagine having to explain what happened to this little guy.
I told him that his dog was missing, and he looked up at me and he started crying and said, "Mommy, can you please get my doggie back?"
Jamie filed a police report, but realistically, to get Eric's doggie back, she'll need someone who's seen or knows something to come forward. And she's still hopeful this story can have a happy ending.
And that's all I can really ask for, is that my son have the opportunity to know that there's still good people in the world and that he's going to get his dog back.
You hope someone brings your puppy home?
And the dog thief has a distinctive look. Jamie Lee's neighbors described him as a Puerto Rican man between 25 and 35 years old with spiky hair and a tattoo on his right ear. If you know anything, call Buffalo Police at 847-2255. And believe it or not, this is not the first time this has happened to this family. More on that coming up at 6. Reporting live, Lou Raguse, News 4 at 5:30.